Good morning, good evening, good night from wherever you're watching us. Welcome again to this new tutorial where we are going to learn how to add blog posts to your Shopify. To add blog posts to your Shopify, you simply come to your Shopify store. I'm already logged in. And in case you don't have an account, you can log in, and the link to shopify.com is available in the description of this video. So once you're on your homepage and you have logged in, you come to your online store here, you click on online store, and you notice we have blog posts. You click on that blog posts. Down, you'll see pages, navigation, and preferences. But our interest currently is on blog posts. And then you come to this other side. You notice that blog posts are a great way to build community around your products and your brand. So we are going to be creating a blog post for that purpose. So you click on create blog post. And now it opens this part, and this is where you do the work. So at the top here, you give the title for your blog post. What is your blog post about? So this is where you put your title. Maybe this is about logo design or graphic design. So you put your title here. Let's call it logo and graphic design. So in case you don't know how to do a nice title, at the top here where you see a diamond shape, if you click on that, it gives you options. Generate blog title. So what is this blog about? So you are going to describe it here. You say it's about graphic design. And then which tone do you want? You want it to be playful, supportive, custom, whatever tone you want it to be expert tone. Special instructions, you can use all capital letters, such a thing or not. So you can put this one, but it is optional. So here it's about graphic. You can click now on generate so that it can generate suggestions for you. You notice mine was simply logo and graphic design. And then you notice the suggestions given here: 10 graphic design hacks, logo design tips for pros, the definitive guide to graphic design. So you look for the one that you feel sells more. So let's use this one, 10 graphic design hacks. You notice that's an easy way to get a nice blog post title. So then you come down here. So down here, this is where you put your content, and we are going to use things that are at the top here. So to begin with, we want to put a banner here. So where do you get your banner from? I would advise you that you go to canva.com. So you notice this is Canva, and that link to Canva is available in the description of this video. Kindly, you can register to Canva through my link in the description of this video. So notice here I can design, I can change these ones to be what I want. I want it to be JoshNet Pro. I can just change it to what I want. So this is an easy way to design the banners that you want. So I had already designed this, but it's so easy to design with Canva. In this YouTube channel, we have different tutorials on how to use Canva, and you're welcome to watch them. Now, back here, we now want to put our banner here. So to add a banner is simply a picture. You click on insert image, and then you click on upload image. Then you go to where your image is. So I want to upload this image. I'll click on that image. Then we click on insert. So you notice now our banner has been added there. So the next thing you can do here is now to add your content. So we want our content to be about 10 graphic design hacks. And remember, we can also just come here and copy this. So we are going to copy that, and we put it down here again as our title. And then we can now adjust this just like we edit the text. Remember, here we can generate the text here by refreshing this. This is the beauty currently with Shopify. You have the AI. We want this to be refreshed. So we are going to refresh that. Then we get what can be suggested here. Boost your graphic design skills with these 10 hacks here. I think I like that. So I'm going to put that. And then I can select this and then choose how I want it to appear. Is it heading 2? Let me see how heading 2. That's how heading 2 looks like. So let me try heading 1 or heading 3. So that's how it looks like. So I think heading 3 looks okay. So then now you develop your content here. Now make sure your content is so engaging. So you put your content in here. So I'll put my content there. So I'll click on keep. So now I have my text there. Now because it's in bold, I can make it to be not bold so it looks different from the title. Remember, I can also change the color of my title here. So you simply highlight that, come here at the top, then choose the color that you would want. So I want to use this blue. So you select that blue. You notice now that's how my blog looks like. The next thing we are going to look at is how now do you add an image here. The same way we added this banner, it's the same way you are going to add your image. But now let's say we want to add a link here. Maybe now we want someone to contact us. We can simply type there, contact us here, or maybe click here to contact us. Let's put it that way. Click here to contact us. And we want people to click on this link to contact us or to reach out about their logo design. So once we do that, you highlight the text where you want the link to appear, and then come at the top here and click on insert link. So now we are going to put a link here. So your WhatsApp link, whatever link, your email, whatever link you want, you add it there. So we want that link title to be our contact. So you just add that, our contact, and then where do you want it? How do you want it to open? On the same window? No, I want it to open as a new window. I click on a new window, then click on insert. So now when a client brings the cursor here, it will open and they click. You notice it has our contact there. So they will click that and it will lead them to the link that I added. Maybe my WhatsApp link, Facebook link, whatever, my website link, whatever the link that is. So that's how you add a link there. Now, if you want to embed a video, maybe about your work, your videos and all that, you simply do the same. Then I'll go to the video that maybe I want to share. This is the video I want to share. Then I'll click on share and then click on embed. I'll get this embed video link, click on copy. Then once you click on that, come back to our work. At the top here, if you scroll up, you'll notice here we have insert video. You click on that, insert video, and then you see now insert a video by pasting the embed snippet in the box below. You click on that and then you now paste the link that you copied from the video that you want to share, be it from Vimeo, but mine I've just shared it from YouTube. Then you click on insert video. Now if I scroll down, you notice now we have our video added there, trending girls wear or whatever video was about. Now you have to look for a video that is relevant. This one is just for the purpose of demonstration. Then you can add other details here. At the bottom there, you can add an image just by clicking on add image. If you want to add tables, you can click on add table, then you add a table. Maybe you want to discuss the pros and the cons, you just do that. Then you can now add the excerpt, and this is the summary of the post to appear at the homepage. You click on add the excerpt. In other words, which part do you want to appear? Maybe when you share this article in social media, maybe you just want this first line to be the one to appear, or maybe you want this title to be the one to appear. So you just copy that, come down and paste it there, such that this is the part that will be visible to everyone where you share it. The next thing you notice at the right hand side, you can see the featured image. This is the image again that you can use to be featured in your work. So I want the same banner to be featured, or maybe this one. So you click on the image you want, then you click on open and your image will be added. Then the other here, you can choose. If you have several people in your page, you can choose them here if they are the ones who authored the article. In this case, I'm the only one, so the story appears only once. Then for the blog here, you decide if it's under news or actions, or you want to create a new blog. You want to create a new blog, and maybe you are going to call this blog, you give it a name here. So maybe you call it IT Solutions. Once you're satisfied with that, you can click on save, and now your blog post has been saved. Now to view your blog post, how it will appear, you will come here and click on preview, and you now notice this is our feature image with a logo designed. Then if I scroll down, you notice 10 graphic design hacks. It has the banner that we created, it has a title, it has the content, it has a contact us here, it has a title our work with a video that has been embedded. So that's now how my article or my blog post looks like. If you're not satisfied with your blog post, you simply now save it and you just publish it, and now it will be online. I hope this has been helpful. That is simply how you design or add blog post to your Shopify store. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.